What's up, everyone? This is Drew Drew Drives at Grubs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in the 2026 Acura MDX Advanced Package. So I made videos so far on the MDX Type S, MDX A-Spec Advance, and the A-Spec. So now we got the Advance. All that's left is the tech package and the base model for the 2026 model year. But let's go over the Advanced package real quick. You, of course, have the 3.5 liter V6 with 290 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque and a 10-speed automatic transmission. The Advanced package is the luxury trim. It'll give you the Bang & Olufsen sound system, the upgraded speakers over the tech package, beautiful open pore wood trim. This is the espresso interior. You also get massaging seats starting in the Advanced package. The Advanced package, A-Spec Advance, and Type S have massaging seats. You have built-in Google Maps, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, heated steering wheel, ventilated and heated function, and you also have a 360-degree camera system. The touchscreen was introduced in the 2025 model year, and this espresso seats look really good. Basically, in the Advance and the A-Spec Advance, the seats look, the trim, or the stitching on the seats look like how it did on the Type S from 2022 to 2024, the Type S Advance. Now the Type S Advance in the facelift has like suede inserts to differentiate it. You also have a nice center console, but these seats are very comfortable. This interior is absolutely beautiful. I love the MDX, as you guys know. You have a panoramic sunroof. But let's walk around this car. Remote start on the key fob as well. And you can also use Acura Link to start up your car from your phone. This is finished in platinum white pearl, and I love the wheels on the Advance. They look a lot more distinctive than they did on the pre-facelift. And here's a 2025 identical to it. Looks very, very nice. And you have the frameless diamond Pentagon grille with the crosshatch design instead of the individual diamonds like it was in the before, like that. And then, but before it was completely framed, but now the top piece is not framed, only the bottom piece is. Here are the rear seats, heated rear seats, of course, very nice. White with espresso is an extremely popular color combination. They sell extremely quick, everyone loves it. And on the Advanced package, you have you see how it's black on this one? On the Advanced package, it's all color match. The plastic pieces, the gray plastic. You see there's an A-Spec right there with the gray plastic. The Advance is all painted in the body color. And that looks more premium and more luxurious. Like the Advance looks beautiful. And here's the third row. And the Advanced package in general is extremely popular. People love the Advanced package. Everyone wants this car. And they sell very fast. This vehicle has a price of $68,850, and the Bang & Olufsen has 19 speakers, 21 miles per gallon combined. You also have a head-up display in this car. The Advanced package is the first model that will get it, and the A-Spec Advance and Type S have that too. And I love the Google integration. It's awesome. I love Google Maps, so I really like that. You also have a lot of massage features or functions: wave, shiatsu, step, awake, fusion, lower back, upper back, rejuvenation, and zen. But let's get this car out on the road. Like, this is an awesome daily driver. It's very beautiful, and the features are fantastic, and it drives really well. I just love the way the MDX drives. I love this V6 because I've owned multiple Acuras with the V6, and as you guys know, my daily driver, I daily drive my G80 M3, but like I have a MDX Tech which I have as well, which I just lease, and I really like that car. I'm gonna get an MDX Type S after that's done. But I just love the MDX. It's such a nice car. SH all-wheel drive is fantastic. Acura's all-wheel drive is one of the best in the car industry. I truly love it. I mean, like, it makes the MDX handle like a way smaller SUV than it really is, and it's quite impressive. Yeah, these massage seats are so nice because, like, it just makes you feel a little more active in your seat, right? And it feels good. Like, it just like pushes into your back very nicely. It's just like little, like this. It's nice. Makes your ride more comfortable. Who doesn't love massage seats, right? And also on the advanced package, you have the adjustable extra adjustments. Like, you can move the side bolsters in. You can extend the thigh. You have a thigh extension, I mean, and you can also adjust the lumbar. And I love how the map can be one of the gauges. I love that feature. And because you don't have you have built-in maps, Google Maps, you don't even have to use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to access it. Like, for example, say if your data is really bad, like you don't have a good cell reception, you could just use Google Maps. Because this doesn't have built-in navigation from Acura, it's just the Google Maps. And I prefer that, to be honest. It's so much easier. Because like Google Maps does updates in real time, and if you have like a manufacturer's navigation, it's not always going to be updated. It's going to have a lot of bugs and little things like that. But anyways, yeah, this car has everything you need and more. It's great. And the Advance just looks so elegant with the body colored panels and everything like that. Just a very comfortable car, very nice. You also have this little camera button, so if you're pulling into a spot, you can see how you are positioned in the lines. But overall, very beautiful MDX Advance right here. Super nice to drive, very elegant, and it's a great car. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own MDX.